Approaching from directly in front, your 2026 Thunderbirds and the inspirational Delta First.
Panchito.
Pop up there a little bit, these bomb bay doors open, watch as the aircraft swings around.
They're not staying, but they're having a great time all the way from Alabama. That's just Oklahoma. The KC-135 from Altus and the reload slow pass.
Box 135 out of here at 3,000.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for the Patriots jump team. As they bring the colors down, we get things underway officially.
Sneaking up on you with the sound of freedom.
The full front formation team.
And you get the guys playing over the top too. With the smoke on and everything's just a perfect selfie. Hashtag SNF26.
The full front. Ladies and gentlemen, Ghost Rider Airshow is proud to present Nathan Hammond and the Hammond Super Chipmunk, an experienced aviator and aerobatic aircraft. Today, he proudly serves as one of the world's last remaining professional skywriters, performing at aerial events across North America both day and night, flying this 1956 de Havilland DHC-1, designed originally as a trainer for the Royal Canadian Air Force. You're ready for a display of precision, low-level aerobatics in this classic Airshow airplane. Aviation has been part of Nathan's life ever since he was a young child. Growing up in an aviation family, he experienced flying aircraft ranging from World War I biplanes to corporate business jets. Let's watch out in front of him.
Appeared last night, needed a UFO at the very end, but that was Ghost Rider Airshow. Such a nice guy. His daughters are up there. They support the team, travels with the family, and it encourages you, as you heard Brittany, to go see the world.
200 to 250 for freight. These guys, some of them are pumping 2 and 3 gallons a minute when they have their smoke on. Another antique biplane over from vintage aircraft. And in distance, I see one of our favorites, carbon fiber detail.
I do too. Let's just enjoy this. Let's listen to it. Here comes the Constellation. From your right, camera's ready. Back in the day, Brittany, when you dressed to fly, put a tie on. Of course, for the military and global reach, but this is the new C-46 Pegasus. Look at that. Wow. In the refueling configuration. Oh, nice break. Fancy.
So we mentioned there is verbal communication, there's also light indicators, and that's the pilot direction indicators, or PDIs. So they call out contact from those parties, and then what happens is
RJ wants to see your point of view, so share your videos and tag him. Follow RJ on Instagram at RJ Gritter and also on Facebook at RJ Gritter Airshow.
Special thanks to Garmin Aviation.
Museum. See some cool stuff in there. There's a couple of spearmen taking off.
From the left, it cycles its weapons bay doors. Ladies and gentlemen, the XB-70 Valkyrie formation.
Your intuition is so counterintuitive what he's about to do because he's got his best power now. He's coming in.
The Anomaly has become the flying work of art for general aviation and a centerpiece for creativity and community in the aviation industry. This is the aircraft's 4th appearance here at Sun and Fun in the Flyby Showcase, and it's become a fan favorite both in the air and on the ground. The Mooney Anomaly, ladies and gentlemen.
And as he comes back for a photo pass, we've renamed this the Casey Pass.
This is a nice trip, it really is. And the documentary, Larry takes it.
RJ developed a passion for aerobatics through radio control flying. He started competing at the age of 16 and even represented the United States on the world stage in indoor precision and freestyle championships. Remote control flying gave RJ a strong background for the unique brand of aerobatic flying that you're watching. I want to tell you about how RJ developed a passion for aerobatics through radio control flying. He started competing at the age of 16 and even represented the United States on the world stage in indoor precision and freestyle championships. Remote control flying gave RJ a strong background for the unique brand of aerobatic flying that you're watching right now.
Too. Describe that cockpit, Brittany, because you've been in the simulator. What are you looking at when you're sitting in the seat?
A lot of buttons, knobs, throttles. No, honestly,
He's been skywriting, ghostwriting.
I was born for this. Don't care for the critics, my words and my physics, of force that they can try.